अकाबी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, अकाबी रूह जब बेदार होती है जवानों में, नजर आती है उनको अपनी मंजिल आसमानों में. I wish Amreen come on stage for speech in English on
gathered here to celebrate annual day of our school. Today I have been given an opportunity to deliver a speech on success. Success is a journey, not a destination. It is often said that success occurs when preparation meets opportunities. Success is everyone's mission. So far, success for us must be to successfully complete the assignments on the time, attend the seminars, never miss the classes, maintain required attendance. But life in reality is a bigger sea. In fact, it's an ocean which we have to swim across it. We have heard several stories in our childhood, such as the story of ant who tries to climb the mountain, slow or steady but wins the race, and many more. The moral of all these stories is keep trying until you succeed, and do not get disheartened if you fail immediately. Keep trying and remember that your mistakes give you a valuable lesson and also helps you to choose a right path. Well, if someone asked me the definition of success, I would say it's a lifelong journey if you are too lazy to relax. Everybody in life wants success. Especially we are always enthusiastic to get a best career option in our lives. But success has different people depending on their goals and desires. Some find success in being a sport person, some are artisans, some wish to start their own business. It is believed that success is achieved when hard work meets opportunities. It is also important that you give yourself the credit of success that you had achieved after putting your efforts and energy. Determination is the principal secret of the success. Always remember that the definition of success will vary from person to person. So always stay motivated to do better than the past. Do more and achieve more. True success comes when you achieve success in health, wealth, relation and spirituality. These are considered as the 4 pillars of the successful, happy and healthy life. I once said life is a race and you must beat others to win. Instead, keep trying and try to remain even if you are succeed. So stay focused and follow your journey towards success. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.